welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be doing this makeup look, something different with my hair. Looks a little messy bun, but you know what, I wanted to change up the hair look. It's my new hairstyle look. Hope you guys like it. I'm bringing you guys, sorry if my voice sounds a little odd, a little bit sick, just a little bit. I haven't filmed for like a few days or so to show you guys how to create this eyeshadow look. Blue glittery cut crease eyeshadow makeup tutorial. That was a very long title, but you know what, it's okay. I'm feeling the blue vibes right now, the glittery and all that. It's just all put in one. If you guys are new, hi, my name is Talia and welcome to my channel, guys. And also do not forget to check out my mom's channel. I'll link it down below, and I'm gonna link all the products down below as well. That way you guys know what products I'm using. So that is pretty much it, guys. If you guys want to see how I get this look, then keep on watching. Off camera, I did my eyebrows and I also primed my eyelid and set it with powder. The eyeshadow palette I'm going to be using is the James Charles palette. I know you guys see me creating so many looks with this. Thinking of doing like a really glittery blue cut crease. The first shade I'm going to take is this one right here. Apply it on my crease area. And I'm gonna start like right in the middle, kind of blending it back and forth to my outer V, to my inner corner, and kind of smudging it. And this shade is actually going to be like my first base. Trying not to go all the way up to my brow bone, so I'm just trying to keep it very in the center of my eyelid. A bit more of that shade, just so it can be a little bit more like matte to my eyelid. I forgot to apply tape. I do want my shadow to be a little bit more like sharp, so I'm gonna go ahead and just like blend that. So the next shade I'm gonna go in is with this blue, kind of like more like a navy blue shade. Apply it like in my bottom lid, and I'm trying not to go upward to my crease. So basically I'm just focusing on the lid curve, kind of like that. So I want the colors to really reflect. I'm going mostly like on the outer V, and I'm kind of like smoking and smudging it to my end. Go in with my Colourpop concealer, and I'm going to be taking this type of angle brush, a cut crease. So basically I'm going to the end, all the way to my lid, to my outer. In with this glittery blue shade right here, which is more like a lighter teal. This teal is such a pretty color, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and take my brush right here, and I'm gonna be applying that glitter on my cut crease. Go in with the blue shade right here, like going to blend the top of my crease. Lightest blue, and I'm just gonna blend the top just slightly, a little bit, not too much, like the look can really reflect. I'm gonna go in with my Strobe Glow highlight palette, and I'm going to be taking this silver glitter shade right here, applied on my cut crease, just to give it a little nice silver shade on the cut crease. Just like the shades can like blend a little bit, and I feel like with this shade kind of brightens up a little bit more the cut crease. I'm gonna go ahead and remove my tape. I'm gonna do the eyes later, and we're gonna go ahead and do our face. For primer, I'm gonna go in with my E.l.f. Infused primer, and I'm just gonna apply it on my T-zone area. With my Milani foundation, this one's the shade Vanilla. I'm gonna apply like 3 dots on my face. And I'm actually going to apply just a little bit of foundation because this one is pretty like heavy foundation, and the more I apply it, the more cakiness it will be. And blend my foundation. I'm gonna go in with my Colourpop concealer. This one is the shade Fair 06. Apply 3 dots on my under eye area. LA Girl Pro concealer. This one is the shade Porcelain. Apply it on my chin area, down the bridge of my nose, and on my forehead. Just gonna blend the forehead, my nose. I'm gonna go in with my Airspun loose face powder. Apply translucent powder on my under eye area, nose. Go in with my Makeup Revolution. This one is the shade C11. They're gonna take my sponge and just blend the contour. Just gonna take my powder brush and just remove the powder. Bronzer, I'm gonna go in with my NYX matte bronzer. This one is the shade Light, and I'm gonna bronze up my face. Go ahead and apply it on my forehead area just to give it a little bronzy on the forehead. I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of the translucent powder. I'm gonna go ahead and just line up. Blush, I'm gonna go in with my Ulta Beauty Mineral Blush. This one is the shade E.Pony. I'm gonna apply it on my bronzer area, and I'm gonna apply it in my cheekbone area and then drag it to my bronzer just so it can like blend everything well. And remove the translucent powder. And then for highlighter, I'm gonna go in with my Academic Colors. I'm gonna be taking the silver shade. Go ahead and apply it on my tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow area, and the temple of my forehead. Taking this blue shade right here, apply this in my under eye area just to blend the eye look. For eyeliner, I'm gonna go in with my NYX eyeliner. Go ahead and take my Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Gel, and I'm gonna apply it in my eyebrows area just to set them in place. Go in with my Ulta Beauty mascara. Then I'm also gonna apply it on my bottom lashes. Academic of Color highlighter, and I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of that in my inner corner just to brighten up the inner corner of my eye. Go in with my Kylie cosmetic lip liner. This one is the shade Maliboo. And with my Kylie cosmetic lipstick, and this one is Maliboo. I'm gonna go in with my Innocence lip gloss. This is the final look. I honestly love how this eyeshadow turned out, especially the cut crease, because normally I do a half cut crease. It's feeling the glittery vibes, the blue tones. So pretty how everything turned out. To let you know, with this eyeshadow look, looks super pretty with lashes. I went to TJ Maxx and saw two lashes that I really like. I forgot the brand name, but one of them was called Fuego and the other one was called Miami. Just I really liked a lot and I wanted to purchase it. They were like $9.99 each a pair. Purchased these lashes right here, one drop, because I was trying to apply it, but I'm still practicing. So these are like wispies lashes. If you guys really enjoyed this video, please give it a huge big thumbs up. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.